Hello everyone, I'm Mary Rose Corrigan, Public Health Specialist for the City of Dubuque with the July 24th, 2020 COVID-19 update from the Dubuque County Public Health Incident Management Team. Dubuque County has added 35 new COVID-19 cases since yesterday. As of Friday, July 24th at 1 p.m., Dubuque County has had 1,312 positive COVID-19 cases. I'm sad to report 2 additional deaths locally, so a total of 24 COVID-19 deaths have occurred in Dubuque County. 7% of just over the 18,000 people tested in Dubuque County have been positive. 13 individuals are currently hospitalized, and about 37% of Dubuque County positive cases have recovered to date. The state added 570 cases since yesterday. As of July 24, 2020 at 1 p.m., Iowa has a total of 41,079 positive cases. Dubuque County has 3.1% of all Iowa cases. In all, about 1 in 7 Iowans, or over 444,000 people, have been tested, and 9% of Iowans tested have been positive. Deaths reported in the state total 820 Iowans. Currently, 230 cases are hospitalized throughout the state, and finally, about 71% of Iowans have recovered. Today, Governor Reynolds signed new Proclamation, continuing the public health disaster emergency for another 30 days. The Proclamation extends public health mitigation measures currently in place for businesses and other establishments. Remember, this includes the requirements for bars and restaurants to ensure 6 feet of physical distance between each group or individual dining or drinking, to ensure all patrons have a seat at a table or bar, and to limit congregating together closer than 6 feet. Requirements for social distancing, hand hygiene, and other public health measures to reduce the risk of transmission also remain in place for gyms, casinos, salons, theaters, and other establishments without change. The Proclamation also extends many of the previous issued regulatory relief measures necessary to respond to this public health disaster, including those related to health care, professional licensure, educational workforce, and expiration of driver's licenses. Some provisions have not been extended, including the suspension of the requirement for retailers to accept empty bottles and cans for redemption of the container deposit. That requirement will resume on July 26, 2020. That is this Sunday. Let's try not to all overwhelm our grocery stores with returning 4 months' worth of bottles and cans, especially since we've all been consuming more of these beverages at homes, if you know what I mean. So this proclamation is now in effect until 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, August 23, 2020. Also today, the CDC updated its travel guidance. CDC recommends that travelers avoid all non-essential travel to the following destinations: Brazil, China, Iran, most European countries, and the United Kingdom, Ireland, and Iceland. These are all under the Level 3 travel notice and also restrict most foreign nationals who've been in one of these countries during the previous 14 days to enter into the United States. In accordance with the Level 3 travel health notice, CDC recommends that travelers avoid all non-essential travel to all global destinations. You can find the detailed information on the CDC COVID-19 website under Travelers. It's really hard to plan travel these days. I think we'll all be doing limited, if not last-minute travel, for quite some time. The CDC has also issued a lot of guidance for K-12 schools and parents to help plan for the upcoming school year. Finally, something to keep in mind for the weekend and beyond. As face masks continue to be recommended and or required by numerous public health, retailer, work sites, and organizations, keep this simple thought in mind. Your cloth face covering may protect them, and their cloth face covering may protect you. Thanks for tuning in today. It's going to be another great summer weekend, so take advantage of it by getting together with friends and family and or being outside in a COVID-19 safe and creative way. Thanks everyone for doing your best to be safe and practice proper public health measures and not put yourself in unsafe COVID-19 situations, because remember, we're all in this together. Happy Friday.